Hello students, today we will discuss how to reduce generation of waste. See here, there are 3 R's. This can be achieved by practicing 3 R's. First R is reduce, second R is recycle, reuse, third R is recycle. First reduce, second reuse, third is recycle. We will discuss them one by one. First of all, reduce. What is the meaning of reduce? Reduce means creating less waste, especially non-biodegradable waste. What is non-biodegradable waste, that we will discuss, and what is biodegradable waste, that we will also discuss. ऐसे waste जो non biodegradable होते हैं, that we have to create less. What is non biodegradable waste? The waste that cannot be decomposed by microorganism and stay unchanged over time. For example, plastic. If we keep plastic in the sand, it will remain same for many days. You can say that it will remain same for long, or even you can say that 10 year, 20 year, 30, it will remain same. It will not decompose. It will not decompose by a very small organisms that are present in the sand. That type of waste are called non-biodegradable waste. But if we put peels of vegetables, fruits in the sand, it will get decomposed in a short period of a time. That are called biodegradable waste. The waste that can be decomposed by microorganism over a short period of a time, and it cannot harm the environment. For example, peels of fruits and vegetables do not harm the environment. Waste of paper do not harm the environment. These things are called biodegradable waste. Polythene, plastic, glass, these are non-biodegradable waste. Now we will discuss about the R's, how we can reduce the generation of waste. First one is reduce. Reduce means creating less waste, especially that is non-biodegradable waste. How? Use metal plates instead of disposable plates. You can say that do not waste food, cloth bag used for shopping instead of polythene. If we will do like this, then what will happen? There will be less non-biodegradable waste and it will not harm the environment also. Second one is reuse. Reuse means using again. For example, if we are having any container, we have taken any container of pickle from the market. As the pickle will over, we should not throw that container. We can use that container to store the salt, sugar, pulses, anything you can store that. Reusing means use anything again that can be used. Do not throw that. Next one is spices, sugar, anything you can store in that containers. Third one is recycle. What is meaning of recycle? For example, you are reading newspaper in the morning. As the day changes, newspaper is old, you can collect that newspapers to make the tissue papers. You can make them from notebook also. Rough notebook can be made from that in the industries, not at home. For example, you can recycle the glass, you can recycle the plastic. Number of things are there that you can recycle. For example, many type of scraps are there at our home. Iron scrap is there, plastic scrap is there, glass scrap is there. Number of things can be recycled in the respective industries. For example, glass can be sent into the glass scrap, can be sent into the glass industry, plastic can be sent into the plastic industry, where they can make usable things from the scrap. These are the 3 R's that we can use to reduce the generation of waste. Thanks students, have a nice day.